to the channel. I'm Jill. So, you guys, today's video is another open collaboration hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. Now, this one is hosted by the Grace Life Living DIY Home Decor and Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now, there are several co-hosts, so I'm going to look down because I don't want to miss anyone. So, the co-hosts are Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, Creations by Simone, Sasu Glam Style Living, At Home with Lisa, Mercy Beauty of Style, and myself, Jill. So, you guys, this collaboration is Wreaths Galore. So, we just ask that you create a wreath for the holidays and have fun with it. So, also, I'm going to have each lady's link listed in my description box down below. So make sure that you check them out along with the other hosts. And guys, if you like what you see on their channels, go ahead, subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that share button, and subscribe. If it's your first time here and you like what you see, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. But before I get into the video, there are some special people that I like to welcome. That would be my JS family, new and true blue, tight like glue. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you guys. You know I love you so much. Hugs and blessings to each and every one of you. To my new family, my new subscribers, guys, you rock. You rock. Just like my true blue type like blue, I can't take anything from them either. But I wanted to welcome you guys in and thank you so much for coming back. So don't forget to thumbs me up before you leave and share me out. So let's get into this video. Okay, you guys. So first of all, pardon my hands because I had been out playing with some things on my porch and I didn't stop to lotion them up. So I just got into this brief thing. So anyway, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking because the video is very self-explanatory. I'm going to add a little music and let you enjoy yourself. So, see you at the end. Okay, I hope that you saw something that inspired you to create some awesome looks. It is always my hope is to inspire. So I hope that's what I did. I tried to keep my wreath as simple as possible because if you follow me, you know I'm kind of a simple girl. Sometimes I go a little overboard, but I wanted to keep this, simple. I wanted to keep it a little woodsy, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So again, I hope that you saw something that inspired you to create some fabulous looks. And as always, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.